Dana, we had a crew out in Lewiston that was supposed to be live. We had to pull them in though because of the weather.
We had a thunderstorm move through the Lewiston area. Yeah, some like heavier downpours, some lightning in the area. That cell will kind of be moving towards Portland, towards the coast within the next half an hour or so. So yeah, it's been a little bit of a busy day out there. If you didn't see any thunderstorms out today though, it ended up being a gorgeous day because we had plenty of sunshine out there. Temperatures are very close to average for this time of year, upper 70s, some lower 80s through areas of northern and western Maine. But yeah, we've been watching those scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout this evening. Ones in areas of northern Maine have since dissipated within the past half an hour or so. However, the ones closer to areas of southern Maine, you can see those localized downpours there and some of that lightning. Those will continue to move southward within the next half an hour. So remember, when thunder roars, that's your time to head indoors. So within the next few hours, we'll continue to see a couple more scattered showers and storms, but once the sun goes down, most of those will begin to dissipate as well. And then we end up mostly clear as we go overnight. Early tomorrow morning could see some fog, especially along the immediate coastline and then the valleys in the northern mountains, but it burns off relatively quickly and we end up with a really nice afternoon. It'll be a little bit sticky, but temperatures will be in the upper 70s, some lower 80s, plenty of sunshine out there. I do think it is one of the nicer days of the week because then we have a cold front that's going to be going through for the day on Wednesday. So that cold front will approach from the north very, very early on Wednesday morning. This is a look at Wednesday at 4 a.m. And then the showers and the possibility of some embedded thunderstorms move through areas of northern and western Maine, kind of right during the morning commute early on Wednesday morning. And then it moves through areas of central and down east Maine right around lunchtime. Now this model has actually sped up this cold front a little bit. So now it's looking more like we'll be mostly clear by the time we get to dinner time, though I do think there is a possibility of some scattered showers along the immediate coastline kind of right around dinner time. And then the rest of that front will begin to move offshore. And then our dew points and our temperatures will drop pretty starkly overnight. I think by the time we get to early Thursday morning, some areas, especially near Rangeley or Berlin, could even be in the upper 30s in some spots. Definitely a fall-like feel coming up there. Now we've been watching this cold front for the weekend. So I think what we're doing here is we have that chance of some scattered showers and storms throughout the afternoon and early evening on Saturday. But how fast this cold front moves will decide our Sunday forecast. So the European model here is a much more progressive front. It moves a lot faster, and that means it moves through Saturday night, and then throughout the day Sunday, we end up dry. However, the GFS or American model doesn't agree. It has a much slower front, and therefore showers will linger throughout Sunday morning. I think right now, because it is that holiday weekend, just keep in mind there is that potential for some scattered showers early on Sunday, and then we'll see some more clearing as we go throughout the afternoon. It's also a bit of a temperature roller coaster coming up this week. The next 2 days will be a little bit on the warmer side, and then the second half of the week significantly cooler than average, especially for the day on Saturday. And then we return right back to normal temperatures for Sunday and next week. Marine forecast sees 2 feet, water 67 degrees. So overall, Amanda, I feel like we have a bit of everything as we're going into this 7-day forecast. If you prefer some warmer weather, that's a day like tomorrow or Wednesday. We'll have a bit of a fall-like feel for the second half of the week, but we'll keep an eye on that cold front for the weekend, though, especially because we have the holiday coming up.
Okay, so normal latte start of the week, and then by the end, pumpkin spice.
I know. I'm waiting till September 1st. I feel like that's what's appropriate for me.
All right, Dana, thank you.